OpenAI has released GPT-5, but many ChatGPT users aren't too happy with the latest AI model. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman described GPT-5 as a major step forward in AI, comparing the model's abilities to those of a PhD-level expert across various fields. However, users expressed frustration over losing access to previous models, reporting shorter responses and less personality, which has led to concerns about a downgraded experience. Within hours of the launch, social media platforms including Reddit were flooded with thousands of complaints that GPT-5 is less responsive, slower and less accurate than the previous GPT-4o series. The criticism has been both loud and widespread. A Reddit thread titled GPT-5 is horrible received nearly 3,000 upvotes and over 1,200 comments, sparking concerns that the AI giant is alienating its most dedicated users. Many users have reportedly complained about the shorter replies, the overly formal tone, and the tighter limits on messages. OpenAI is also facing significant backlash from its ChatGPT Plus subscribers, as many believe the new AI model limits the functionality of the paid subscription. The GPT-5 thinking model has been restricted to 200 messages per week, while Plus subscribers no longer have access to the wide variety of AI models that were previously available. On the other hand, Tesla CEO Elon Musk criticized OpenAI over the latest release, claiming that his company's xAI's AI model, Grok 4, is far superior to GPT-5. In a post on X, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman acknowledged the criticism and said that the company is significantly raising reasoning rate limits for ChatGPT Plus users, with all model class limits set to soon exceed the level in place before GPT-5. According to a TechCrunch report, Altman explained that the reason GPT-5 initially seemed dumber was due to a malfunctioning router during rollout. He promised that the company would fix the issues that concerned users the most. Altman has also announced that GPT-4o will be brought back to ChatGPT Plus following user backlash over its sudden replacement with GPT-5.